What is going on, everybody? I've been doing another deep dive out in the good old internet and looking for cool Tanto knives and cool EDC gear, and I just so happened to run into a pen from Umburry called the Expressor Pen. This definitely lives up to the reputation of kind of what I like is to share with you guys is really cool EDC gear, and especially titanium. I love titanium. It's lightweight, super durable, corrosion resistant. It's great stuff. And this pen is certainly very unique in its design and has a custom fidgety clicker style mechanism. So let's take a look at it today. Okay, so here's a little card that basically explains what we have going on here, the basic assembly of all the parts and pieces and the type of titanium and everything else. And over here just basically describes how to use the mechanism, which I will show you because I watched their video and that showed it too, because I have a video that shows how to use it. So let's take a look at it. Here we go. So very cool, very unique design, very triangular. This is not a new design concept as far as the pen. It's actually been around a long time. I've never used a pen in a triangular shape like this, so definitely is my first time. And actually, I gotta say, it feels really pretty good. It'd be interesting to see how it writes, because sometimes that can be a little bit of a difference too. Kind of reminds me of those triangular rubber grippy things that we put on our pencils that are kind of triangular. That's what it kind of reminds me of. I hated those things, but that's what it kind of reminds me of a lot of. So I don't even know if those even still exist, but it really does feel good. And I will say that double blasting actually gives you a good traction on the pen too. So you can see where the tip comes out right there. And that does unscrew. It's a little tricky to get a grip on. I'm not sure if I'm moving it or if I'm just sliding on it. I don't seem to have very good traction on there. So that's a little tricky to get to. And there's the mechanism. And how the mechanism works is you push down, just kind of like you would a regular click pen. And then you slide it down that angle and that locks it in. And then you just snap it like that. Spring loaded. So it's very, very cool. Locks right in. And you can just basically tap it and it kind of right goes in. So actually it is actually, like I said, a little unique still with this triangular thing, with getting used to that. But the use of it is very unique. And I can definitely see that being pretty fidgety for sure. And you can do it quick and do it slow, either way. But yeah, that's very cool. Some nice little screws right there that holds those pins in. Then the two pocket clip screws here actually hold the mechanism in there. So that's very cool. So I still like to, oh, there it goes. Oh, okay. I think I got it. Maybe. Maybe not. I'll have to work at that. I thought I had it there for a second, but it's very awkward to get a grip on too. But it does use a Schmidt Easy Flow, or any of the Schmidt or Parker style refills is what it's using. So very common, very easy to get your hands on. So it's very, very nice. So yeah, feels really good and very unique design. He actually has another custom pocket clip that's going to come out too, and it kind of curls around onto those grooves, and that's pretty interesting too. So, but overall, very interesting pen. I'm very excited to carry it and try it. Definitely seems very fidgety, and that is a unique design for him. So very, very cool. So there you guys go. That is the Umburry Expressor Pen. I will leave a link in the description in case you guys want to check it out. Other than that, have an awesome day, guys. We will catch you next time. Bye.